Good morning, YouTube. Thanks for tuning back in today. In this video, I want to show you how, sorry, this lighting is really bad. Let's fix this. Is that better? Is that better? I don't know. Alright guys, so yesterday I chopped off my hair. I just grabbed a scissor. It was probably up to, I want to say, here. Yeah, like right about there. And I just chopped it off to like right here because I just really needed just a fresh cut. My ends were going a little bad, so I decided I'll just chop it off. I thought that this would be the opportunity to do a video on how to clip in your hair extensions with very short hair. So if you're interested, keep watching. I just want to reinforce how important it is to keep your hair healthy, regardless of whether you wear hair extensions or not. But you want to keep it healthy because you can't just slap on some quality hair extensions and have dry, brittle hair and put the two together. It's just not going to mix. So it's really important to take care of your hair. So that they can blend. So in this video, I'll take you step by step on how to do it from the bottom up so that they can blend perfectly. Alright, so enjoy this video and I'll see you guys later.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer friends.
Alright guys, so the first part, or the first step we're going to do here is section off right below your ears. This is where your shorter hairs are going to be, and we're going to try to prevent those hairs from showing. So what you want to do is make 2 braids, one on the left and one on the right, and then you're going to use a total of 4 bobby pins, or however many you think you need, and you'll secure that to the back.
The doors OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN, take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, dancing, Coca-Cola. I open up.